Jordan brand unveils the Air Jordan 40 to commemorate 40 years of the iconic basketball sneaker line. Designed for elite performance, the AJ40 features full-length ZoomX foam paired with Zoom Strobel for superior responsiveness and 85% energy return. A 360-degree webbing system ensures full foot lockdown, while a re-engineered outsole with 40-degree angles enhances multidirectional agility. The design pays homage to past Air Jordans, incorporating a tongue from the AJ5, reflective AJ13 details, AJ14-inspired stitching, AJ3-style heel clips, and subtle elements from the AJ12, AJ15, and AJ18. Its futuristic edge comes through in the asymmetrical collar and breathable medial vents. Launching on July 12 in the classic colorway for $200, the Air Jordan 40 fuses innovation with legacy, celebrating the franchise's rich history while pushing performance boundaries for the modern game.